call me Ate Ol. If you need me, I'm here. And I'm from NUST. In your tour guide for today. Let's go! And now we are here in Australia. Come and join us. We are going to explore the beauty of Australia.
Australia is a diverse and fascinating country with an Aboriginal population dating back many thousands of years. This very basic overview is our starting point for international students waiting to know more about the nation's background. The land of dreams located between the Pacific and Indian Ocean. Australia is the world's largest island and the smallest continent. This country is vibrant, multicultural, and full of spectacular sceneries. Welcome to Australia. Australia is the most beautiful in other country. More than the other developed countries, Australia seizes the imagination for most visitors. Its name is Jordan for an endless summer where the living is easy. A place where the adventures are as vast as the horizon and the jokes flow as friendly as the beer. A country of can-do spirit and easy friendliness. No wonder Australians call theirs the lucky country. Australia is a land of staggering contrast and spectacular beauty. Along the coast, you can explore vibrant multicultural cities, vast sands, islands, Asian rainforests, and one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders, the Great Barrier Reef. In the Outback Range National Park and Earth Desert offer the ultimate and adventure travel. It's no wonder Australia scores top billing on bucket lists around the world. The best place to visit in Australia. Cairns, for its tropical climate, easygoing ambience, and close proximity to the Great Barrier Reef. Cairns is one of the best Australia's most popular vacation destinations, located in the northwest corner of Australia, with the population of around 150,000 people. Australian burger is a mild-height burger with egg, bacon, cheddar, cheese, pineapple. The iconic bridge is both main method of crossing the harbor and the travel of nation for adventurous visitors. Rising 134 meters above the harbor, the bridge spans meters connecting Sydney North Shore to the Central Business District. It was completed in 1932, 40 years before the Sydney Opera House, affectionately called the Coat Hanger. One of the top things to do in Sydney is a guided ascent to the top of the bridge, where you can enjoy a spectacular view over the harbor and the sea. Kakadu National Park. Kakadu National Park has over 5,000 Asian rock. It is a place of immense culture and natural significance. The park is huge and containing some stunning natural sites which make it well worth to visit. With diverse ecosystem contained within the park boundaries, you can be hiking through desert, sandstone, escarpment, 1 minute and banding in waterfalls and pools. The next before later one learning about some of the Asian rocks painting.